Starting this school year, students of athletic training at Idaho State are now able to take their education a step further with a master's now being offered in the discipline. Joining us to tell us more about the brand new curriculum is Dani Moffitt. She's the program director with ISU Sports Science and Physical Education Department. And also we got students Britnie and Kurt. Well, thank you very much for stopping by this morning. First off, what exactly is athletic training? What do you guys do on a day in, day out basis?
Well, athletic trainers work with active individuals. And we have a great opportunity because we get to work with the people from start to finish. We have roles of prevention of injuries, and that's what people think of. They think of us taping ankles and handing out water to prevent dehydration, but we may set up exercise programs to prevent shin splints during track season, as simple as that. Then we provide the emergency care when an individual has been injured on games, anything from doing CPR if we have to spine boarding, to something as simple as taping a wrist. Once a person's been injured, we will do the evaluation and assessment of that injury and determine whether or not they need to be moved on to another health care professional, or can we work with them ourselves, and then we'll do the rehab to bring them back so that they can be active again. So
kind of a big mashup, I guess, of a bunch of different disciplines, from like almost first aid medic to a rehab specialist to a personal trainer in a way almost.
Absolutely, and that's really exciting for us, and it's kind of unique for us because we actually know the person before they get injured. A lot of times if people get injured, they may go to a physical therapist for their rehab, but the PT didn't know them beforehand, whereas we already knew them as a student athlete or whatever, on the floor of a business.
All right. Now, how does this change things, and how does it let you take your education to a new level versus, just a typical four-year program? What does the master's program offer you guys?
Well, it's a two-year program. We do a summer semester, and then we do 4 more semesters after that. We're scheduled to graduate in May of 2015, and this will allow me to continue in sports. It's been a passion of mine throughout my life, being involved with it ever since I was young, and I've always kind of enjoyed the medical aspect of it, so it's kind of bringing two loves of my life together so I can be involved and help those student athletes or anybody that is injured along the way, help them get the care and help that they need as they get injured.
So what's it been like? You guys are what, about 6-7 months into the master's program. What's a typical day for a student like?
Very busy. We have class 3 times a week, and then we're given an opportunity. We kind of rotate throughout the Potel community, and out in Idaho Falls, we get an opportunity to work with sports teams here, such as the women's soccer team I've been with, and the men's basketball team, women's basketball team, and now I'm working in a physical therapy office, doing shadow hours right here off of campus. So kind of everywhere we get a discipline of different areas so we can be more rounded in athletic training.
All right. Now lastly, where can people go for more information? Who should they contact about maybe getting involved first with the bachelor's program and then the master's program?
Well, we actually don't have a bachelor's program. The bachelor's program is probably going to be phased out soon, so we're kind of ahead of the curve by having the master's program. But people can easily go to the Idaho State College of Education website, which then will get them to the Sports Science and Physical Education page, and then the Masters of Science and Athletic Training program webpage will give them all the information, and they can contact me directly at ISU as well.
All right. Well, thank you very much, all of you, for stopping by this morning.